Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Right now we're at the entrance of the newly purchased Hussainiyat of Rasul La'a'zam, right here in High Barnet, and right exactly in Borman. This is the main entrance, right at the main road, and the entrance is right here in front of us. This plot here, as you can see right here, from approximately 200 to 230 square meters. This plot here could be used for different many purposes. For example, gardening and other purposes that we could use in the future, hopefully yet to be confirmed. Let's take a look inside. Let's enter the main entrance. This right here is the massive car park that we have here. The car park right here is approximately, can take spaces for around 250 cars if, according to the allocated spaces. However, during peak times such as Muharram and Safar and other occasions, it could take even more than that, up to nearly 400 car spaces. Along with the main car park that we have here right in the new center, we have this approximately nearly 500 square meters of green land that can be used for different purposes. Come take a look. This land here actually has an entry of its own, which can be used for multiple purposes. That could be for recreational purposes for either children or elders alike. As you can see, there's a vast area around the actual main Hussainiyya building, which is right behind us, that could be used for many different purposes via throughout the year or during Muharram and peak times like Safar, Muharram and Fatimiyya season, as well as Ramadan. Let's come take a look inside of see what the facilities are available. As you can see here, this is the main reception or / lobby of the whole building. Right here, this could be used as the female entrance or the female hall, which is approximately 250 square meters. On the left and right, we have washrooms and different rooms around us, which could be used as offices or different rooms for different purposes. This is the main reception hall or the females hall that could be used in the future. We have the main hall right behind us. Come, let's take a look. This hall, which actually right now can seat up to 1,050 people, could be used and taken capability of to be used even more and maintain of up to nearly 2,000 people if situated right. Via your donations and contributions, if this room and this hall right here could be taken care of perfectly, it could seat up to nearly 2,000 people, even more with regulations and safety guidelines. This generation could make use of this space. The generation of Tashayyu' here in the West. The heart of the West is London, and right here could be the heart of Tashayyu' in the Western world. Right here, with your generous contributions and donations, this could become the main beacon of light of Muhammad wa al Muhammad.